Hello students, welcome in the science class for 10th standard, and today we will discuss about the chemical properties of metals and non-metals, and especially the reaction with air, water and nature of oxides and hydroxides. First of all, we will compare the metals and non-metals. What are these? Metals are those elements which form positive ions by losing electrons. These have either 1 or 2 or 3 electrons in their valence shell, and these are not stable as the outermost shell is not complete and it is not having 8 electrons. Non-metals are those elements which form negative ions by gaining electrons. Example chlorine, and just like this, these have 1, 2 or 3 electrons less than octet, or these are not having complete 8 electrons. Chlorine is not stable because it is not having complete octet, so it is highly active and try to get stable configuration, stable state. It gains electron and one electron is it is having, so forms negative ion. Now reaction of metals with oxygen. Reactivity of different metals with oxygen are different. Almost all the metals react with air but at different rate. Some metals react with oxygen very fast but some very slow. Metals plus oxygen give metal oxide. Metals like सोडियम पोटेशियम रिएक्ट विग्रसली, बहुत तेजी से रिएक्शन करते हैं एंड कैच फायर. अगर इनको अपन छोड़ दिया जाए तो ये आग पकड़ लेते हैं. सो दीज आर स्टोर्ड इन द केरोसिन ऑयल और ether. So reaction of sodium and potassium to give oxides is given. Some metals like aluminium, magnesium, zinc, these form protective layer of oxides on their surface. Magnesium reacts on burning it in presence of oxygen and it burns with dazzling light. Magnesium plus oxygen give magnesium oxide. Iron when heated glows brightly, and if iron filings burnt in flame, these form its oxide. Iron plus oxygen give ferric oxide Fe2O3. Similarly, copper forms copper oxide on burning its fillings or turnings CuO or Cu2O. Silver, gold do not react even at very high temperature. So these are comparatively least reactive metals. Anodizing. As the aluminium is forming the protective layer of oxides on their surface, this quality is used for anodizing purpose. It is resistant to further corrosion. During anodizing, a clean aluminium particle is made the anode and it is electrolyzed with dilute sulfuric acid. The oxygen is evolved out during the reaction at anode. वो aluminium से combine करती है and forms thick protective oxide layer of aluminium. This oxide layer can be dyed easily to give aluminium articles an attractive finish. So that is the anodizing. Nature of the oxides. Metal oxides react with acids, form salt and water, and these when dissolved in water, these form their hydroxides which are basic in nature. ये these turn red litmus to blue. Aluminium oxide, zinc oxide, these show acidic as well as basic character. जिंक ऑक्साइड और एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड इस तरह के ऑक्साइड्स हैं जो एसिड की तरह बिहेव भी करते हैं और बेस की तरह भी. मीन्स दीज कैन रिएक्ट विद एसिड एज वेल एज बेस टू फॉर्म द सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड्स रिएक्ट with acid as well as base, so such compounds are amphoteric in nature. Amphoteric nature. What is amphoteric nature? In last example, aluminium and zinc oxides can react with acid as well as base. So such oxides which can act as acid as well as base or can react with acids as well as base and form salt and water are known as amphoteric oxides. Metal oxides are insoluble in water, but some of these dissolve in water to form the alkalis. Sodium oxide and potassium oxides dissolve in water very easily and form their alkali solutions, which are very strong base and known as strong base in chemistry. Reactions of metals with water. How these react with water? Metals react with water and form their oxides and hydrogen. Reaction with water and form their oxides and hydrogen. And metal oxides, these are soluble in water and form metal hydroxides. But all the metals do not react with water. Some of these, like sodium, potassium, very violently react with the cold water, and reaction is so violent that reaction is exothermic, and these catch fire immediately. And reactions are showing the example of reactions taking place. So potassium, sodium both form hydroxides and it forms hydrogen gas. The reaction of calcium with water is less violent. The heat evolved is not sufficient for the hydrogen to catch fire. Magnesium, on the other hand, not reacts with water in cold condition, but it reacts with hot water and forms its hydroxide and hydrogen. It starts floating due to bubbles of hydrogen gas sticking to its surface. In the same way, calcium starts floating because of the bubbles of hydrogen stick to the surface of metal. Metals like aluminium, iron, zinc, these react with steam only to form the metal oxides and hydrogen. नॉर्मल कंडीशन में ये रिएक्शन नहीं करते हैं, केवल स्टीम के साथ ये रिएक्शन करते हैं. Like aluminium, iron, zinc react with steam, right, and form their oxides and hydrogen. Metals such as lead, copper, silver, and gold do not react with water at any condition. Chemical properties of known metals. In brief, we will also study the chemical properties of known metals to compare with known metals. So, reaction with oxygen of air. Known metals also react with oxygen of air either at room temperature or on heating and form their oxides. These oxides may be of different type, monoxides or dioxides or trioxides. अलग अलग टाइप के ऑक्साइड्स बना सकते हैं. कार्बन फॉर्म्स कार्बन मोनोक्साइड एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. Sulfur forms sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide. Hydrogen forms neutral oxide water. Nitrogen form number of oxides. So carbon in complete oxidation, ऑक्सीजन की इनकम्प्लीट सप्लाई में ये कार्बन मोनोक्साइड बनाते हैं. कंप्लीट ऑक्सीडेशन होने पर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बनाते हैं. नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड बनाते हैं और सल्फर इस तरह सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड एंड सल्फर ट्राइऑक्साइड बनाते हैं. Now, oxides of metal, non-metals are acidic in nature, just opposite to metals, and dissolve in water to form acidic solutions. Their solutions are acidic in nature. Example: carbon dioxide when dissolved in water forms carbonic acid. Nitrogen dioxide when dissolved in water forms nitric acid. Sulfur dioxide when dissolved in water forms sulfurous acid. In the same way, sulfur trioxide when dissolved in water gives sulfuric acid. So these are producing acids in water. Solution of non-metals, oxides in water turn blue litmus to red. So these are acidic in nature. Reaction of non-metals with water, these have no reaction with water. And that is all for today. Thank you.